disassemble the pedal drive, you start by deflating it maybe by 1/3 so that it's easier to slide the pontoons off of the wide support aluminum boards. So we'll do that first. It's pretty simple. You just push it down and take a little bit of air out. Next thing you want to do is just loosen the bungee cords. There's 4 corners that you have to do that with. And just let them hang. They're not going to be going anywhere. And then you release the clips, little button clips, which allows you to start to slide the pontoons off. You could leave them on until you get all 4 corners mostly off. Okay, now that they're mostly off, it's okay to go ahead and slip them off. Or, what I like to do is keep it assembled so much this way, and then I like to take these guys off. That's one. Two. And this is part of this, so you just leave this here. That's 2. That's all 4. The 4 corners are now done. Put your bolts somewhere safe. I'm going to leave them here. I'm going to take the seat off next. There's just 4 bolts for the seat. It's probably best to do the seat first, but you can do it in any order. Totally release the seat from the boat, it's necessary to disconnect where the seat is connected to the rudder. So you just pull and release, take off each hook, pull the seat off. I always like to take these, store them there. You can choose to leave everything loose, or you can choose to place it back on the boat. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to take it apart. Now I'm going to take the rudder, put it there so it's safe. drive and rotor assembly is now complete and done. It's out of the way. Seats out of the way. We can finish taking off the pontoons. And to let the air out completely, push it down and let it deflate. You can let it deflate all by itself, or you can force the air out. Take off the two boards. You can leave the cords where they are, or put the rest of the hardware. Deflate the last pontoon. Now you're almost ready to transport it and put it in your car. You just need to wait for the air to come out of the pontoons. Or you can choose to do this. You can just pick them up. You can start rolling. Which forces the air out. You don't have to. Normally it takes a little bit of time for everything to find its place in your car. In that period of time you can come back and do this. There's one. And that's it. Voila.